Hey there, guys. Today we're diving into something special, the power of the side hustle. You're not just dreaming big, you're about to make those dreams a reality. So let's unlock that potential together. Start small, think big. Your side hustle is not just a hobby, fellas. It's the seed of your future business empire. Start with something that you're passionate. Maybe it's graphic design, coding, or even cooking. Whatever revs your engine. Small steps lead to giant leaps. Post daily on social media, network at events, learn a new skill. Remember, it's the little things done consistently that create big changes. Earning from your side hustle is just a start. Plan what to do with that money. Save some, reinvest in your hustle, and maybe treat yourself a little, but always have a plan. List down what you're great at. Are you a smooth talker, tech whiz, or a creative mind? Use those skills in your side hustle. It's about doing what you love and loving what you do. Embrace your journey. Every big player has a story. Yours is just as important. Facing challenges, overcoming obstacles, that's the stuff heroes are made of. Share your journey. It might just inspire someone else. And juggling a side hustle with life curveballs isn't easy. Find your balance. Maybe it's a morning run, meditation, or just listen to music. Find what keeps you centered and stick to it. Do you have dreams of a vacation, a new car, or just financial freedom? Plan it out. How much do you need to save from your side hustle each month to get there? Break it down and make it happen. Remember, a side hustle isn't just about the money. It's about pursuing your passion, building something of your own. It's about legacy, purpose, and fulfillment. You're the CEO of your life. Adopt that entrepreneurial mindset, goals, crush, and then set higher ones. Always learn, grow, and evolve because life is too short to play small. Aim for the sky. You want to make 1 million? Go for it. Every day is a chance to get closer to your goal. Remember, success is a journey, not the destination. All right, guys, it's time to turn those side hustles into dreams and reality. You got the roadmap. Now it's time to drive. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. I'm right here cheering you on every step of the way. So let's make it happen. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's crush those goals together. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe button for more power-packed motivation and strategies to win in life. Until next time, keep hustling and stay unstoppable. Have a great